How to trade on Coinbase. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Pipan Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can trade on Coinbase. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. Now you can use Coinbase to easily buy and sell the cryptos. Now once you open up the crypto wallet and once you're logged into your account, in my case I'm not signed in, I'm having some issues, but you can see here is a quick overview of what the app looks like and what are the icons available, and you can see the buy and sell icon here on the screen. So you can simply tap on buy and select the particular crypto that you wish to buy, or if you just head into, or if you search a particular crypto, suppose you want to buy Bitcoin, you want to tap on Bitcoin and then you can see buy option there. You can simply tap on buy option there, and after that you want to enter in all the details and you'll be good to go. You can buy it. Similarly, if you want to sell it, if you have the asset, you want to head into your assets, and the assets that you own, you want to tap on it and you'll get the sell option. In my case I don't own any and I don't have my account logged in. However, if you simply head into sell option, you'll get the list of cryptos available that you have. You want to simply select a particular crypto that you wish to sell and you can go ahead and sell it and place the order. So this way you can trade on Coinbase. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.